Hello, future real estate moguls. Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable insights to help you navigate the world of real estate investing. If you're a beginner, eager to kickstart your journey, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 6 real estate investing tips for beginners. So, let's dive right in. Number 6. Set clear goals. Securing the 6th spot on our essential real estate guide is the crucial practice of setting crystal clear goals. Before plunging into the dynamic world of real estate, take a moment to carve out your objectives. What's your game plan? Are you in it for the long haul, aiming to build lasting wealth through rental properties? Or perhaps you're eyeing the fast lane, looking to turn a quick profit through property flipping? Defining your goals is like charting a roadmap specifically tailored to your aspirations. The beauty of having distinct goals lies in their power to guide your investment strategy. They act as your North Star, providing a steady direction amidst the vastness of investment choices. This intentional approach helps you remain laser-focused on what truly matters to you in the real estate game. By spelling out your intentions, you not only gain clarity on your overarching objectives, but also cultivate a determined mindset. This clarity becomes your compass, ensuring that every move you make aligns with your broader vision. It's like having a game plan that keeps you on track, steering you away from distractions and honing in on what's most significant in your real estate journey. In essence, setting clear goals serves as the bedrock of your real estate expedition, grounding it in purpose and direction. It's the blueprint that transforms your aspirations into a tangible, step-by-step approach, making your journey in real estate both intentional and rewarding. Number 5. Research the market. Securing the 5th spot on our crucial real estate checklist is the pivotal task of delving into thorough research. In the realm of real estate, information is your potent ally. Devote time to staying well-versed in market dynamics, keeping a keen eye on evolving trends, neighborhood shifts, and property valuations. This knowledge not only equips you with awareness, but serves as the linchpin for making savvy decisions and capitalizing on opportune moments. Immersing yourself in market research provides a nuanced understanding of the landscape, allowing you to navigate the twists and turns with confidence. Be attuned to the pulse of market trends, recognizing how neighborhoods evolve over time and grasping the intricate dance of property values. This awareness positions you to be a strategic player, capable of discerning the optimal moments to make well-informed moves in the real estate chessboard. Consider market research as your compass, guiding you through the labyrinth of possibilities. Armed with knowledge, you transform uncertainties into calculated risks, enhancing your ability to seize propitious opportunities. It's not just about accumulating data, it's about transforming that data into actionable insights that elevate your real estate acumen. In essence, the 5th point underscores the transformative power of research in real estate. It's not merely about accumulating facts, but cultivating a profound understanding that empowers you to navigate the complex terrain with sagacity, ensuring your real estate journey is marked by informed decisions and strategic maneuvers. Number 4. Build a reliable team. Securing the 4th position on our real estate playbook is the strategic move of assembling a dependable team. Engaging in real estate is akin to a team sport, and your success hinges on the strength and reliability of your supporting cast. Enlist the expertise of professionals, including real estate agents, contractors, and property managers, to form a robust team that fortifies your investment endeavors. The significance of this step lies in recognizing that, in the dynamic realm of real estate, no person is an island. A reliable real estate agent serves as your guide through the intricate web of property transactions, leveraging their market knowledge to uncover opportunities aligned with your goals. Contractors bring invaluable skills to the table, ensuring that property enhancements or renovations are executed with precision and efficiency. Meanwhile, property managers act as custodians of your investment, overseeing day-to-day operations and tenant relations. The synergy of this collective effort is transformative. A dependable team doesn't just handle individual tasks. They synchronize their efforts, creating a harmonious workflow that addresses challenges and capitalizes on opportunities. This collaborative approach not only streamlines your investment journey, but also provides a safety net, ensuring that each facet of your real estate endeavors is in capable hands. In essence, the fourth point accentuates the cooperative nature of real estate success. It's not just about individual prowess, but the orchestration of talents, each playing a crucial role in fortifying your investment strategy. Building a reliable team isn't just a recommendation, it's a strategic imperative that propels your real estate journey towards seamless and triumphant outcomes. Number 3, understand your finances. Landing in the esteemed third slot of our real estate guide is the fundamental aspect of comprehending your finances. This step involves a thorough exploration of your monetary landscape before embarking on any real estate endeavors. Scrutinize your financial situation by delving into key details, establish a clear budget, familiarize yourself with your credit score, and gain a comprehensive awareness of the various costs entailed in real estate transactions. This comprehensive understanding of your financial well-being is not just prudent. It is pivotal for making informed and judicious investment decisions. To start, delineate a budget that aligns with your financial capabilities and investment goals. This budget acts as the cornerstone of your real estate journey, delineating the boundaries within which you can comfortably operate. Simultaneously, gaining insight into your credit score is paramount, as it influences your eligibility for financing options and dictates the interest rates you may encounter. Moreover, an astute awareness of all the costs associated with real estate transactions is non-negotiable. This includes not only the purchase price, but also closing costs, property taxes, and potential maintenance expenses. The devil is in the details, and a meticulous understanding of these financial intricacies empowers you to navigate the real estate terrain with confidence. In essence, the third point underscores the significance of financial literacy in the real estate realm. It's not merely about numbers, it's about the strategic comprehension of your financial landscape, ensuring that your investment decisions are grounded in fiscal prudence and foresight. Understanding your finances is the compass that steers your real estate journey, charting a course toward financial success and sustainable investment choices. Number 2, start small and scale. Gradually, claiming the noteworthy second position in our real estate guide is the sage advice to initiate your journey with small steps and gradually expand. While the allure of grand endeavors may be strong, especially in the realm of real estate, wisdom often lies in commencing with modest, manageable investments, particularly for those new to the game. This approach serves as a practical apprenticeship, offering a valuable learning experience while mitigating potential risks. Starting small allows you to familiarize yourself with the intricacies of the real estate landscape, honing your skills, and understanding the dynamics of property transactions. The benefits of this measured approach extend beyond the initial phase. By dipping your toes into smaller investments, you cultivate a foundation of experience and confidence. Each venture becomes a stepping stone, providing insights that contribute to your growing expertise. As you navigate these early stages, you can fine-tune your strategies, identify what works best for you, and, crucially, comprehend the nuances of the market without the overwhelming pressure of larger-scale commitments. Moreover, the incremental growth model enables you to scale your portfolio organically. With each successful venture, you gain not only financial returns, but also a reservoir of knowledge that positions you for more substantial undertakings. It's a strategic ascent, allowing you to build a solid foundation before venturing into more extensive real estate projects. In essence, the second point underscores the wisdom of a gradual and measured approach to real estate. It's not about sprinting, it's about pacing yourself, absorbing lessons along the way, and steadily expanding your portfolio. Starting small isn't a limitation. It's a strategic choice that sets the stage for a resilient and successful journey in the diverse landscape of real estate investment. Number 1. Educate yourself continuously. Securing the prestigious top position on our real estate wisdom chart is the timeless principle of perpetual self-education. This paramount advice recognizes the dynamic nature of the real estate market and underscores the pivotal role of staying informed. Continuous learning is not just a suggestion, it's the golden rule for anyone venturing into real estate investing. Picture it as a drumroll-worthy journey of acquiring knowledge. Dive into books that unravel the intricacies of real estate, attend seminars where seasoned experts share their insights, and immerse yourself in industry blogs that serve as a dynamic window into market trends. Don't stop there. Extend your reach by networking with experienced investors. Engaging with their wealth of experiences can be as instructive as any textbook. Understanding the real estate landscape requires a commitment to ongoing education. The market evolves, new strategies emerge, and staying ahead of these shifts positions you as a savvy investor. Each book you read, seminar you attend, and conversation you have contributes to your reservoir of knowledge, enhancing your ability to make informed and astute investment decisions. In essence, the top-ranked advice is not a one-time checklist item, but a continual journey. The more you know, the more empowered you become in navigating the dynamic twists and turns of real estate. Consider continuous education as your compass, guiding you through the ever-changing terrain of real estate investing and ensuring that you're not just an investor, but a well-informed architect of your success. There you have it, our top 6 real estate investing tips for beginners. Remember, success in real estate comes with patience, persistence, and a commitment to learning. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Until next time, happy investing.